In this video, I'll show you how you can fix stuttering and freezing in Minecraft. What you want to do is right-click on your desktop and go to Display Settings. In here, find Graphic Settings. Once you're in here, you want to activate Hardware Accelerated GPU. Select Microsoft Store App. In here, you want to select Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher, and you want to press Add. Once you have them in here, you want to click Options, High Performance on both, save. Then you want to close it down, search for Power Plan. In here, go to Power Options, choose High Performance, and if you don't see it, you might need to click here, but choose High Performance. And then simply what you want to do is just restart your PC, and now it should be much better. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.